Protabletx is a brand new smart tablet that comprises many specifications. Protabletx is a new tablet available with 5G technology. This is the perfect device for people who do not want to spend too much money on a new tablet, but still want quality. This tab has 12.9 inches big HD display that is resistant to damage, has dual SIM support. It has two cameras, one has 13 megapixels and the other one has 8 megapixels. Fully compatible with Android 10.1. Uses a rechargeable 8800 mAh battery. Comes with a Type-C USB cable and charger. Due to its compact design and high power, you can do almost everything with this gadget. For instance, if you want to use it for work, it can run all office programs, and it's perfect for business meetings as it has an excellent camera. Consumers can use the Android Protabletx device for fun, download movies or games, and play them without lag or big frame rate drops. This tablet has 50% discount and free shipping. For buy this tablet, click the description link.